Lead-acid batteries are highly recyclable. In fact, 98% of one can be reclaimed through recycling. The lead, plastic and acid components are reprocessed and manufactured into an array of other products, including guideposts, cabling, detergents and even other batteries. We believe scrap batteries should be recycled and disposed of responsibly, and they must be recycled in line with local regulations. Most workshops and resellers will be able to send your battery for recycling, or you can take it to your local recycling centre. It may seem obvious, but this helps to build a cleaner world for future generations, prevents harm to humans and wildlife, protects the environment, conserves natural resources, and reduces the amount of waste going to landfill. Many other battery types can also be recycled. Always check the battery labelling and your local recycling centre for compatibility.